So join me today when we visit the iStore in Sandton, where I'll meet with some of the team members to discuss why iStore is the best choice for you to get your new iPhone, whether it's cash or on contract. Let's go. Hey Siri, take me to iStore Sandton Drive. We're on our way to iStore Sandton Drive. It's one of my favorite stores. I just love the way it's laid out, plus they've got great coffee. But the first iStore actually opened in 2005 in Cape Town at the V&A waterfront. And since then, iStore has grown to 29 different retail outlets that are conveniently situated right across the country. And they've also got an online store, by the way, making iStore the largest Apple premium reseller in Southern Africa, which is pretty cool. Providing a service is a people business, and that's where iStore excels. Across their network of stores around the country, they have 300 sales consultants that are specialized in assisting customers with the right choice of iPhone, the most suitable contract, and the best accessories. We'll hear what Wandile Dladla from iStore has to say about this. Let's go inside.
We have more than 300 cellular consultants. We provide monthly training courses for them to stay up to speed with the latest products and accessories. Most importantly, all consultants are extensively trained on all the aspects of the smartphone contracts by the various operators. The basic training lasts for at least 4 days, with ongoing refresher courses. Around 100 of them are actually experts on all the 3 mobile operators, being Vodacom, MTN and Telkom. They are therefore well equipped to provide our customers with the best service, best possible advice on what phone to get, what contract best suits their needs, and what accessories they should get in order for them to get the best value out of their new iPhone.
Now, most people get their iPhone on a contract with a mobile network operator. That is smart, since you can finance your iPhone over 2 or 3 years. But that does not mean that you have to get your contract from your operator. We met with Stefan Carstens, who's one of the senior consultants at iStore, to tell us about the different contract options. What is different when you upgrade your iPhone contract at an iStore, for example?
Nothing. No matter where you originally signed up for your personal or business contract, you can get your upgrade at iStore in a similar fashion. You don't have to take out a separate contract with iStore, your number stays the same, and you need to complete the exact same paperwork as you would at an operator store. And payments are done in the exact same way. We have the largest number of contract combinations across all networks, more than 4,100 at last count. We've built a large search engine that allows customers to search for the best fit given their budget by evaluating the various networks offers, by type of iPhone, as well as required amounts of data, voice minutes, and number of SMS messages. To make the search easier, we have narrowed the various contracts down to around 225, which we believe offer our customers the best value. We call them iStore picks. So, for people wanting to switch networks or take out an entirely new contract, iStore offers a one-stop shop. What's more, this entire process can be completed from the comfort of your home via our online store. It is not strange for a family to have contracts with multiple different networks. For legacy reasons or employer preferences, 2 spouses could be on different networks. And to get the best deal at a certain point in time, parents or children could be on a 3rd network. With us, you can get all these contract needs serviced in one place and during the same appointment. Otherwise, the family would have to go to 3 different operator stores.
So it's very clear, iStore is the best place to get your contract upgrade or new contract. Ask Sally.
I upgrade my iPhone at iStore because I get iCare Plus, and at 82 I know what I'm talking about.
Another major benefit of getting your new iPhone from iStore is iCare Plus, which is like a motor plan for your iPhone. It normally costs 1,999 Rand, but if you get a new iPhone from iStore, either for cash or contract, you get iCare Plus absolutely free. Now, iCare Plus has the following two benefits. There's free extended warranty and screen repair cover. The free extended warranty is a no-brainer. Essentially, iStore extends Apple's standard 1-year warranty by another year with the same terms and conditions. No questions asked. The screen repair cover is where things get really interesting. In the unfortunate event that you damage your screen, you must have it repaired by an Apple authorized service provider in order to secure continued warranty support. There are a number of service providers that offer unauthorized screen repairs, but they are often not cheaper than what iStore charges, and you run the risk that the screen no longer functions properly or does not respond accurately to your touch. Worse, you would void the official warranty. This table summarizes this benefit for an iPhone 13. In case of a screen repair under iCare Plus, you would only pay a deductible of 1,600 Rand, whereas without it, you'd be paying the full amount of 5,999 Rand. So getting iCare Plus for free alone is sufficient reason to get your next iPhone from iStore. So let's talk about support, because support's really important. Ease of use is one of the great joys of owning an iPhone. But if you ever need support, or you have a technical question, for example, or an issue, iStore's trained technicians will be happy to help you out. Normally, fees range from 200 Rand to 450 Rand per consultation. But if you bought your iPhone from iStore, all your consultations are absolutely free. iStore was the first one to offer iPhone trade-ins in the country and has consistently paid top of the market for previously owned iPhones. To maintain its market leadership, iStore now offers cash back when trading in an iPhone for a new contract or contract upgrade. This is particularly interesting for users who get their contract partially or entirely paid for by their employer. If they've looked after the device well, they can get up to 15,000 Rand back into their bank account within 72 hours. There is no obligation to use these proceeds from the contracts or any other purchase from iStore. iStore offers great trade-in values for your previously owned iPhone. So when you upgrade your contract, let us value your precious device and offer a trade-in price.
The trade-in values will be determined and agreed upon the customer's decision to upgrade their iPhone contract with us. There are no risks and no surprises. You only have to present your ID and proof of residence to complete the entire transaction, including the trade-in and contract upgrade. It's as simple as that.
Cashback trade-ins are another great reason to get your next contract upgrade or new contract from iStore. To get the most out of your iPhone, Apple and other vendors offer a range of innovative accessories. With iPhone 12, Apple introduced MagSafe. This feature improves wireless charging for a better, more efficient experience and introduces an ecosystem of easy-to-attach accessories that beautifully complement the various iPhone 12 and 13 models. To tell us more about the iPhone accessories at iStore, we spoke to Enrique. What are the accessory experts and what do they do?
Coming into an iStore is an adventure. You get to choose from hundreds of accessories for your brand new iPhone. To help you out with choosing the best accessories for your particular needs, each iStore has dedicated experts.
What exactly is MagSafe and what accessories are available?
MagSafe consists of an array of magnets around the wireless charging coil that perfectly connects to iPhone every time. There are not only Apple and third-party charging solutions. Apple has also launched a leather wallet with MagSafe and Find My support. It seamlessly connects to the iPhone and it connects to Find My. That way, if you forget your wallet, you get notified immediately in your app.
What are some of the most innovative iPhone accessories that you have?
The Mophie wireless vent mount. It is the easiest way to mount your iPhone in your car for hands-free calling and Apple CarPlay applications. It connects to your iPhone via MagSafe, so it charges your device whilst driving.
iStore arguably has the largest range of dedicated iPhone accessories, from AirTags to covers to headphones. They have a solution for every need and every application. Solid reasons to get your iPhone from iStore. Now, the final reason to get your next iPhone from iStore is the fact that at NxtUp, we've arranged a 10% discount on your first iPhone accessories. Get your new iPhone for cash or on contract from iStore via the link in the description below, and you could get a 10% discount on your first qualifying iPhone accessory upon checkout. So there you have it. 7 great reasons to get your new iPhone at your nearest iStore. They have the best people to assist you. They offer contracts on all networks. You get free iCare Plus. You also get free technical support. They offer cashback on trade-ins of up to 15,000 Rand for new contracts or contract upgrades. And iStore has the widest accessory range. And you get 10% discount on your first iPhone accessory. Thank you so much for joining us for another episode of NxtUp, and hopefully we've made it a lot easier for you and your decision on how you will go about upgrading your iPhone a lot easier. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way you'll know when our next video is up. Thanks for joining us on NxtUp. See you soon.